What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're heading about 30 minutes that way to visit the Hamilton collection. If you guys haven't heard of them, I'll link them in the description box below. Wait till you see what they have in stock for us, guys. It is ridiculous. Trust me, you're gonna want to see this. Let's head over. Whoa, check this out, guys. What is that? There we go. Guys, check out what is behind me. We're gonna take a quick walk through the garage. This place is unbelievable. Take a look at this. Thing's nuts, dude.
It is. It's crazy. Actually, I was there it once. That's why I'm taking it today. I haven't really got that much time with it yet. I think we're gonna do. Oh my gosh. We might do black Alcantara. I can't tell if this is navy or gray. I think it's. I honestly, I literally can't.
It looks
tell.
navy at some angle, but black at a different.
Yeah, it's weird. Like this here, I literally can't tell because this is black leather here. I'm pretty sure. Maybe it's not. Maybe they're the same. But we're gonna replace all of this color with either black Alcantara or a black leather, and then do like matching stitching in here. So I don't know when we're gonna do that, but the interior is kind of yucky in my opinion. It's just art. I don't like it. It's literally, this thing is amazing.
Yeah, and the whole back and the whole front lift up too.
Yeah,
we can't do it in here, but
yeah. Oh, I've seen them. They're sweet.
Yeah. That is crazy. Alright guys, so right behind me is a Pagani Huayra. The owner Steve just picked this thing up a few days ago. Take a look at how sick this thing is. It's absolutely art, guys. Take a look. Take a look at this thing under the sun, guys. That is so sick. Whoa. That is wild. This car actually used to belong to Keith Urban, just came from Texas. So sick. Alright, so check this out, guys. Transformers mode right here. Whoa, take a look at that, guys. Beautiful AMG engine right there. Look at these wheels, dude. Absolutely huge.
this key, I think is $8 grand.
Yeah, 8 or 10.
So, this isn't the original one, so I think it's 8, but the original one's 10.
was that collection, guys. Huge thank you to Steve and the crew over at Hamilton Collection. Thank you guys so much for that opportunity. I will link them down below. Make sure you guys check them out. Guys, if you could pick one car out of that whole collection, or at least what we saw of the collection, which car would you guys pick? For me, it would be a close race between the Pagani and the Bugatti, but if it came down to it, I would go Bugatti all day. I mean, the name, Bugatti, how sick is that? So, I don't know, I would go Bugatti. What would you guys pick? Let me know down below. But that's all I have for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel for more, just like that, this one's over, and I'll see you guys in the next video.